In this video, I will show you how you can view your followers on Facebook. So let's jump on it. First, on the top right corner, click on the menu and then go to the settings and then scroll down. Now we need to find out the activity log. So this is the activity log. So now click on the activity log and then scroll down and click on the connection. Now click on the manage followers. So these are I have followed, and let's check who follow me. So click on filter and then click on the categories and then click on the people who followed you. So in my case no one follow me, so that's why it's showing blank, but in your case it will be show the list. So hope that this video help you out. If this video help you, please hit the like button and subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching.